If you are a YouTuber or you have a YouTube channel, I believe Google might have sent you this message. The message read: Google will be required to deduct US tax from payments to creators outside the United States later this year, as early as June 2021. To determine the correct tax rate, please enter your tax info in AdSense. Creators without a valid tax form by 31st of May may be subject to a higher tax rate of 24% of total earning worldwide. Gosh, that is a lot. What do I do next? Well, that is what I'm here to tell you. If you have not submitted your tax info, please follow the instruction I'm going to give you. And mind you, this is only for people outside United States of America. So if you are living in the US, this form is not applied to you. And for people living in Germany, it is called Steueridentification number. So this number is given to you whether you are working, because a lot of people have asked me, since I'm not working in Germany, how do I get this number? And this number is given to you once you enter Germany. Everybody have it in Germany. So it does not matter if you are working or you are not working, it is given to everybody. Just go to your Rathaus or your social, ask him or her for your Steueridentification number. And another thing that is very important in this video or in this message sent by YouTube, this is only for those that their YouTube channel has been monetized already. If you have been earning money from YouTube, this video is for you. If your YouTube channel is not monetized yet, don't just bother to fill the form or ask for your tax number, because you don't need it yet. Until you are monetized, that is where you will be required to fill. What you do first is you log into your AdSense account. If you have AdSense account, then you log into your AdSense account. Then it will take you to another page. This is the login button, you can see there. It will take you to another page. Then this page is your dashboard on your Google AdSense account. Then under your dashboard, you go to your payment, you click your payment. Then under payment, it will take you to manage tax info. You can see it over there, manage tax info. You click that button, manage tax info. Then to take you to another dashboard, which is going to require you to add your tax info. You can see the blue button. You click it. Here you can put your email and your password. Then after, it will require you to select either individual or it's for a company. Because you are one person, select individual and then click next. And it will ask you if you are a citizen of the United States. Because you are not, you click no, you click next. So in the next dashboard, they have already selected an answer for you based on the previous answer you gave to them. So a W-8 form is needed for you. So you click it, you can see where the red dot is. Then come down and click start. Then to take you to another dashboard, take it slowly, don't skip any part so that you don't forget or misunderstood anything. Then here you'll be required to put your country. Then go to the button, select your country. Now this is where it will require you to put your TIN number. That is your tax identification number. So after putting it, the number is always 11. Then you press next. Then it will bring you to another dashboard. Here you are going to put your personal information, including your house address, your city, the postcode of your city, your house number, everything. Then after that, then you press next. After that, then the next stage, you will tick the box as your mailing address. Then tick the box and then click next. Then it will take you to another dashboard. In this dashboard, it will ask you question if you want to claim your tax from the US. Then you click yes. click yes, and then click next. Then after that, it will ask you to select your country again. Then press the button, select your country, and then you move on. Then in this place, you have to select the reason you are claiming tax from the US. Then click service such as AdSense. Then article 7, you can read it now. Then to 0%, click to reduce to 0%, and then scroll down, and then first of all you have to tick on the box first, and then come down and then click next. Then it will take you to another dashboard. It's loading, just 1 minute to open. Then here you will tick the empty box to agree that you have read and understand the tax info you are submitting. Then it will take you to this page. Here you put your full name again, then click the first button that says yes to confirm that you are the one, then press next, and then it will bring you here again. Then here everything is almost done, you are almost there. Then we just ask you a little question. Then the first one, if you are an individual, if you have answered before that you are not an individual, you click no. Then the second one, you tick the box. Then the second one, if you have not received money before from YouTube, you click the first one. If you have received money, click the second one, then click submit, and then you are there. The next page that is going to come out, it is going to tell you that it is approved, which means your tax info has been submitted. So now they're not going to be taking 45% from money you earn on YouTube, rather they'll be taking only 30%. So now your tax info is 100% approved. Thanks for watching.